Today Apple introduced a new watch face. So you can see it look very amazing. You see it kind of like it's similar to the light, which it show like here is the time that it is currently in. To get this new amazing watch face, you need to be at least 8.3 WatchOS, and so you need to go to watch, and then first you need to check your watch version. So for me it is 8.3, and if you still on the older version, you need to firstly update your Apple Watch to be able to get this new amazing watch face. So go to software update, and then you will receive a new update. And if you want to like update to 8.4, you can also do that as well, but I don't want to do that because it 8.3 is okay. So you're gonna go to free gallery, face gallery, and then you're gonna find a new watch face right there. It is called Unity Lights. So click on it, and then select, like, you can go either round or rectangle. So let me go to rectangle here. Click on add, and then it will be added into your into my watch. So tap on my watch here. You're gonna find the new watch face. Just go ahead and set as current watch face right there, and then it will appear on the Apple Watch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this one, and then I will see you guys in the next video.